Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Prabjeet from PeopleCentral. Today, we're going to talk about BioTemp. In January, when COVID hit us, as any other company, we were sat down on a drawing board and said, now, what do we create in this situation which is sellable, which is able to solve people's problem, and which is a natural extension of what we do? And we said, okay, we want to build something which is simple, secure, and easy for end user to consume. Because in today's environment, COVID and post-COVID, the most important thing is that we need something which is contactless. Today we press a button of a lift, we want to wipe our hands or sanitize it. But you still need to authenticate people, you still need to check their temperature, you still need to have the attendance. It takes care of your attendance, it takes care of your facial recognition in terms of authenticating you, it takes your temperature at the same time, it pushes all this data to the cloud, and from there, you could do a lot of policies and profile running, and all that can be done. And all this is done seamlessly without a very big change in infrastructure or change in your existing environment. What does BioTemp do? We have a capacity of about 20,000 face recognitions that we can do in the device. The accuracy is 97.3. The second thing what it does is temperature scanning. So it will do the temperature scanning and recognition at the same time. It will trigger alarms when you have a high temperature. And from there, a lot of policies can take in place that you don't want to enable the door access, would want to auto apply leaves, you want to kick in your policies and protocols. Right. The other interesting part that a lot of clients are interested is managing the visitors that come to your office. So when you have visitors who come to your office, you want to make sure that you're able to track their temperature and to a lot of extent integrate with the safe entry. So we integrated a QR code in the device itself where after you've taken your temperature, you could actually scan a safe entry QR code and do a check-in and check-out for that. Being a tech company, we've done everything on a cloud. So it's a complete cloud-based application, company policies, protocols, the reminder alerts are all set on the cloud. That means you have access to this from everywhere. Right? And then what we do is basically we automate attendance reports immediately. That means we can schedule that every morning 10 a.m. I could get all the reports coming to me. Things we can do dashboards where you could see the number of people who have logged in, the number of people who have missed logged in, a number of people with high temperature, and all the different aspects that come with the device. So you can have all these workflows and dashboards that can start working accordingly. All right, so BioTemp as such for Singapore, it's under a PSG grant. So you, the local SME, can enjoy the solution at 20% price. So it's a one-time cost to acquire the software and comes with a 1-year subscription. Thereafter, you pay a monthly subscription of $50 for the online cloud access. That means for one offices, they can have up to 2 devices under the grant. And we have a team of experts who do all the applications, so they will work with the clients to do the application. In other countries, yes, it does. It depends on the number of employees, but in Singapore, it's fixed $50 a month. So I don't see an industry that doesn't need it, but yes, to the questions, yes, it's very well working in both the industries that you're looking forward for. The F&B is also ahead because you need to make sure you bring back the customers to your environment, and when you're bringing them back to your environment, you want to make sure the people who are already inside, the people who want to come in, feel safer so that you have a better traction. So this is a very good fit for that. As a solution, this now integrates into the complete system. So either it can integrate with the existing HRs, existing visitor management, existing POS systems, or whatever system the client already has. So we're talking to a lot of building managements who want to integrate with their existing visitor management system. So there's a lot of integrations that are possible. A lot of use cases possible. For example, hotel chains who want to have this device installed and pre-register the guests who are coming into the hotel, so that they can, when they come to check in, they can register them, take the temperature and things like that. And the integration, so integrating with Xero, QuickBooks, Madsoft, so there are 15 different partners that we work on this. We want a platform to have all the solutions on there so that our end user is able to consume there. Because this has open APIs, so you can do a very tight integration with APIs, or you can do a loose integration with Excel and CSV imports into the system. The day it's installed, it's ready to up and running.
Okay.
So how we do is, I mean, for the existing employees, that's clients, is okay because we have data. For the people, the clients that we are not on our HR system, what we do is we import the Excel sheet straight away into our platform, and then from there to the device. So you can do on the very same day, even if you have 200 employees. The day you receive it, the day you can start using it. It has a relay, so it can connect to the doors, it can connect to the percentiles, it can connect to anything which has a relay option. They can check in attendance through the mobile app, which has a facial recognition and geolocation, a geofencing set in place. It's the complete contactless solution. We are a tech company. If you have use cases that are different from the current environment, we're more than happy to work with you to get that solution. So let it be FMB, let it be hoteling, tourism, or any other industry.